Hello friends, today we are going to explore some random waterfalls. So here is the start of the vlog where we are at our house at 6 a.m. and let's go. One really funny incident that happened during this whole video is that we went to a resort, like a small water park thing, and then we asked them if there is a waterfall nearby, and then they said all of the waterfalls are dried away and they don't have water as there hasn't been any rain in 8 days. But as we saw later in the video, we saw 30 plus waterfalls fully filled with water with the greatest height and the best view ever. So they were just trying to scam us and getting us into staying into the resort. In this whole area you will see these rice fields. They are quite small but they are waterlogged with the waterfalls natural water. It comes through these small channels, and everywhere you go you'll see them for miles and miles, and they are never ending. Here is one of the channels I was talking about. A quick point of view from a bug on the water. The water flows from here, from the waterfall to the rice fields. There are many levels of this waterfall, but you are only seeing one level. This waterfall is thrice as long. Here's another waterfall we took a look at. This one was paid unfortunately, but it wasn't that impressive as well. There was a huge crowd, but yeah, it was fun. It also had a cave which we explored, which is right here. At the end, we just sat close to the dam watching the immense waters, and yeah, it was very fun. And then we returned to our homes.